Hey, don't worry if you don't see your NFTs on Phantom. That doesn't mean it's not there. So I'm going to show you how you can sell your NFTs directly from Phantom. The first thing you want to do is look for Rarible, the NFT market that will make it possible for you to sell. You have to connect. So you connect directly with your Phantom wallet. Just a simple connect and confirm. Once it's connected, what you want to do is open the menu on the top right of the platform and you click on create. Even though if you don't want to create an NFT, it doesn't matter, you have to go through that. And you click on base network. You will have to choose Phantom again. So you choose Phantom, connect again, and confirm. So to be able to sell, you have to open an account on Rarible. So you have to put your handle and email. Then you open your profile and you should be able to see your NFTs by clicking on my NFTs or my collection. And you're normally supposed to see all your NFTs you're owning there and be able to sell them. Let me show you with my other account. So it's really important you have to select base network to be able to sell your NFTs that are living on base. So I chose my NFTs, my collection, and I can see all my NFTs. It shows my collections. And here we go. Those are all my NFTs. So I click on one. Normally I should be able to see like list them for sale, but it's already listed. So this is how you do it. So a quick example here, if I want to list this one, I would click on put on sale. I can put the price right there. I'm putting 50 ETH. It's not gonna happen, but you know, I can choose how much time I want this to be listed. 3 months, 1 month, 1 day. I can choose the amount listed. So it would be 10. If I just want to list one, I click one and then confirm listing. That's it. So I really hope that this was helpful. I really hope that you will be able to sell your NFTs. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Have a good day.